When it comes to reliability, few brands do it better than the Japanese automakers. Year after year, SUVs from Toyota, Honda, Lexus, and Subaru continue to dominate the market, offering exceptional durability, advanced engineering, and low maintenance costs. In this video, we'll highlight the most reliable Japanese SUVs for 2025. Let's dive in. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner. In Japan and across the world, Toyota is regarded as the top producer of incredibly dependable automobiles. One of the best examples of Toyota's dedication to longevity and durability is the 4Runner. Despite not being the brand's greatest model, it is nevertheless among the most durable SUVs available, designed to last years of hard use. The 4Runner's dependability is obvious. It only depends on strong construction and tested engineering. It is constructed on the Toyota TNGA-F platform and has a boxed, high-strength steel ladder frame that improves ride quality and longevity. One of the main reasons the 4Runner performs so well off-road is its tough base. The 4Runner is equally reliable under the hood. With 278 horsepower, the standard 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides consistent acceleration and sufficient torque for taxing jobs. The 8-speed automatic gearbox, which replaces the antiquated 5-speed seen in earlier versions, significantly improves dependability and economy. With features like Multi-Terrain Select, which enables it to adjust to different conditions including sand, dirt, and mud, the 2025 4Runner keeps getting better. Additionally, by offering accurate and controlled navigation, the crawl control technology improves low-speed off-road performance. These factors, together with Toyota's well-known build quality, guarantee that the most recent 4Runner vehicles retain their stellar reputation for dependability. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. More focus should be paid to the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, especially the adventure-focused variant, given its off-road potential. It handily surpasses over 90% of its competitors in the subcompact SUV market. Its remarkable almost 10-inch ground clearance, which is intended to easily handle road irregularities, is one of its main advantages. The Crosstrek is further distinguished by its standard all-wheel drive, a feature that many competitors either lack or only provide as an option. Even on snowy or slick roads, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip and improves stability in a variety of conditions. There are two engine options available for the 2025 Crosstrek. Higher trims include a more potent 2.5-liter flat-4 engine that produces 182 horsepower, which significantly improves performance and dependability. The base model has a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 152 horsepower. Both engines need very little maintenance and are built to last. The 2025 Crosstrek's well-tuned suspension and sturdy interior components also contribute to its high anticipated dependability rating. Although it isn't exactly an entry-level SUV, adventurers will find it to be a wise investment because to its sturdy build, excellent fuel economy, and affordable ownership expenses. Number 4. Lexus Lx. Unquestionably a high-end SUV with a six-figure price tag, the 2025 Lexus Lx is not to be taken lightly. Reliability is a hallmark of Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand, and the Lx is no different. It stands out from other high-end SUVs in its class thanks to its sophisticated engineering and sturdy build. The GAF body-on-frame architecture serves as the foundation for the Lx, which perfectly balances durability and finesse. It maintains significant off-road prowess while providing a comfortable ride on conventional roads. It easily navigates rough terrain because to its low-range transfer case and full-time four-wheel drive. The LX600's potent 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, which generates 409 horsepower and 479 pound-foot of torque, is still there under the hood. A 10-speed automatic gearbox, which offers smooth gear changes and a wide ratio range for optimal performance, is mated to this. The LX moves fluidly between various driving situations, whether you're conquering challenging trails or riding the interstate. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V is deserving of its spot on the list. For many years, Honda has developed the CR-V into a versatile compact SUV in the entry-level market. It may not be the most aggressive performer on the road, but it stands out from many of its rivals because to its exceptional practicality, utility, and dependability. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and continuously variable gearbox CVT are a major selling point. It is perfect for everyday usage without compromising dependability thanks to this combination, which guarantees seamless acceleration, steady performance, and remarkable economy. Another advantage of the CR-V is its structural soundness. Its strong NHTSA safety ratings support the fact that it is constructed with a high-strength steel frame, which improves collision safety. This adds to the SUV's overall durability, even if it has no direct effect on mechanical reliability. Hill Start Assist and Hill Descent Control are two further features that increase dependability and enhance handling in difficult terrain. Honda has included features like a capless gasoline filling and conveniently located service ports in the CR-V's architecture to make maintenance easier. The 2025 CR-V is a trustworthy and hassle-free SUV for long-term ownership thanks to these well-considered design decisions. Number 2. Toyota Crown Signia. Standing out in the crossover market, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia offers the ideal fusion of high-end styling, cutting-edge technology, and Toyota's renowned dependability. The Crown Signia is positioned as a more luxurious substitute for conventional SUVs, offering both elegance and functionality. The Crown Signia, which is based on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, has a sturdy yet lightweight design that improves durability and ride quality. Its unibody architecture, in contrast to bulkier body-on-frame SUVs, guarantees a calm and comfortable driving experience while providing the adaptability required for both extended road trips and everyday commutes. The 2.5-liter hybrid drivetrain that powers the 2025 Crown Signia produces 243 horsepower overall. It provides outstanding fuel efficiency without compromising performance when paired with Toyota's electronic all-wheel drive system and an electronic continuously variable gearbox. The hybrid system is designed to last a long time, reducing wear and tear and lowering ownership expenses. In the Crown Signia, Toyota has also placed a premium on comfort and convenience by outfitting it with premium interior materials, a roomy cabin, and a suspension that has been adjusted for a smooth ride. Toyota's well-established hybrid technology and user-friendly safety features further reinforce its reputation for dependability and provide years of worry-free driving. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to set the standard for reliability and versatility in the compact SUV segment. Perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures, it balances efficiency, capability, and durability. Built on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, the RAV4's lightweight yet strong structure enhances safety and ride quality. Its unibody design ensures a smooth drive, while high ground clearance and available all-wheel drive provide extra confidence on rough terrain. Under the hood, the RAV4 offers multiple powertrains. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers 203 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth performance. The hybrid version produces 219 horsepower, while the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid reaches 302 horsepower, making it the most powerful RAV4 yet. Toyota's proven hybrid technology, durable materials, and low maintenance costs make the RAV4 a long-lasting investment. Features like multi-terrain select on AWD models further boost its all-road capability. With its reputation for longevity, efficiency, and practicality, the 2025 RAV4 remains a top pick for a reliable SUV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. It really helps the channel. Until next time, drive safely.